Hey people! Oh my God! I'm all set for this eye healing class. I mean, this one student who's going to come. I hope he survives my class. I mean, it's basically that's what he's. This very. He's a forensics expert and very impressive set of qualifications and all. No, the reason I'm saying this is so that people feel that this eye healing class have some validity. I mean, because it's it. I conduct the class with a lot of love. Yeah, I mean, and like I said, this eye healing journey has been a personal journey that I've been on. So, so that's what I'm. I have to be at Phoenix Arena in the next. That's what I still have some time, but people, eye healing classes, please come for them. So this will be, and this new year, do something special for your eyes, and we all deserve good eyesight. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.